So what I need to do now, DIYs, is with the plumber coming tomorrow, he needs to replace that mixing valve, and I think he's going to be moving this shower and centralising it. So what I'll do is I'll cut out a square for him. He can do his thing, and then I can just put back that square. So we'll level a line across there. I need to be plumb, just so it looks a bit neater. Fairly plumb down there. Put another one down there. Put one across so I'll cut that square out. It's going to be in 2 pieces because that's a join. So that's cool. Then I'll just put it aside, and then I can put it back tomorrow when he's plumbed it. I'll have a, well, he might make that the same height, but there'll be a hole or so, but I just patch that up easy peasy, and we're laughing. So a bit of water. Let's do it. If I cut through a pipe, I'll know all about it. Good one. Where's my trowel? Get that stuff out of my road a bit. Okay, let's just try and get this off. Oh yeah. gently. So I don't break it. But if I break it, I've got some more out in the shed. It's well nailed. There's a hammer, and that I might need. You do whatever works, DIYs. The lights are a bit touchy. Look at that. On the blink a bit. Trowel. I bent it a bit. Yeah, get that. Come on. Come on, come on. You little poofter. It's stuck around the silicone. Where's my knife? The silicone's holding it. Okay. You can tell I haven't got much patience. I'll just cut another piece. Okay, cool. I've saved that piece, but I'll just cut another piece for the bottom there. And we're laughing. We'll trim these nails off. Oh, nice! It's been a successful day, people. Everything's set for the plumber. I'll jackhammer that out now and I'll mosey off. Oh, good. Okay, we'll see you soon. Thumbs up. We'll see ya.